We are the furniture care and repair experts with over 100 years' experience. Using our UK-wide network of expert repair and cleaning technicians, we have been protecting and repairing furniture and always delivering quality products and services for the protection, care and repair of furnishings around the home. We partner with many of the largest furniture retailers from across the UK and are proud members of the British Furniture Manufacturers Association. Our UK-based claim team handles over 8,000 claims each month from our 2 million plus policyholders. We are multi-award winners in our industry for the protection plans we sell and are very proud of our 4-star rating on Trustpilot from our happy policyholders. Furniture protection plans are essentially furniture insurance but without the excess, giving up to 5 years of peace of mind for customers purchasing new furniture items like carpets and beds, wooden or marble tables, fabric or leather sofas. As furniture care experts, we have developed professional-grade furniture care products to clean and refresh your furniture, remove stubborn stains, prolong its life, and provide ongoing care and maintenance to keep it looking its best. Guardsman, love your furniture.